Hello and welcome. My name is Sonal Mehrotra Kapoor and this is a special broadcast coming to you live from the Delhi Domestic Airport. We are at Terminal 1 and what you see behind me is a list of flights that remain cancelled. What you also see behind me are people stranded at the airport. Kids are crying, bags are lying all over, and even the older people don't know where to go, what is going to happen. This, as the aviation sector in the country has run into a deep crisis thanks to Indigo. Over 400 flights have been cancelled across the country. Here in the national capital where I am, one of the worst hit of course, along with other metros, we now know that no flight of Indigo will be taking off till the end of the day. But this information that you have, that I have, that we've been flagging on the screens has not reached the flyers. All those who are still going in for Indigo flights are continuously telling us there is no sort of communication happening with them. And that's the baffling part. Now, just to give you a sense, I am at the airport, but it feels like I'm at a railway station. The bags are out, people are sleeping, some are wondering what to do, others don't know where to go. Kids, like I said, especially those with younger kids, are wondering how long can they really carry out like this. I've also been speaking to some people over here who continuously tell me that some came at 3 o'clock in the morning, 4 o'clock in the morning, and till now they are here not knowing what's going to happen next. A lot of them have connection flights which are supposed to take them abroad, and again, no idea what's going to happen there. This sheer lack of communication and the massive mishandling of the situation that has taken place will remain our focus here on India Today all day today. First up, take a look at what some of the people have been saying.
इंडिगो फ्लाइट लेट हो रही है, सुबह भी कई फ्लाइट मिस हुई हैं। ये ध्यान नहीं दे रहे हैं, पैसेंजर परेशान है यहाँ पर और एयरलाइंस कोई सुनवाई नहीं कर रहा है। और ये काउंटर पे जाते हैं तो कहते हैं लोग कि कोई सोल्यूशन नहीं है। मतलब
सर एक्चुअली हमें हरिद्वार जाना था अस्थि विसर्जन के लिए। मेरे डैड की अस्थियां है मेरे हाथ में। मैंने रिक्वेस्ट किया, पहले तो मुझे कोई प्रायर नोटिफिकेशन कुछ भी नहीं आया, फ़्लाइट कैंसिल हो गई है। सडनली यहाँ पे QR कोड स्कैन करने पे पता चला फ़्लाइट कैंसिल है। अब मुझे फोर्स कर रहे हैं, इंस्टेड ऑफ गिविंग मी अनदर फ्लाइट दे आर जस्ट फोर्सिंग अस टू गो फॉर अनदर फ्लाइट। एंड आई चेक विद एयर इंडिया, पर पर्सन इट इज़ 60,000। वी आर 5 people हियर, दे कैन नॉट अफोर्ड टिकट्स and they are asking for refund, and refund will also be getting processed in 7 days. So today it's not like instant refund. So again I have to pay here 60,000 per person. 5 person are there, we have to pay here in lakhs and then only we can go. This is the option they are giving.
गुरजीत जी, आपने कहाँ जाना था?
अहमदाबाद जाना है।
तो क्या पता लगा आपको यहाँ पे?
अब बता ही नहीं रहे कुछ,
नहीं कुछ बता रहे?
आ ही नहीं रहा कोई सीनियर ऑफिसर का।
तो नहीं, आपको फ्लाइट कैंसिलेशन का मैसेज आया?
कैंसिल इसका जब इधर पहुंचे तभी बताया कि मैसेज नहीं है, मैसेज नहीं है बताया। इधर पहुंचे 11 बजे, 12:05 की फ्लाइट थी, 11 बजे पहुंचे तब बताया कैंसिल है।
सब जगह स्केड्यूल फ्लाइट दिखा रहा है, कैंसिल कहीं पे दिखा नहीं रहा है। तो एटलीस्ट एडवांस में पता चले कि फ़्लाइट कैंसिल्ड है तो एटलीस्ट हम लोग कुछ ऑल्टरनेट अरेंजमेंट कर सकता है। और आपने देखा उधर तो पहुंच भी नहीं सकता है काउंटर तक, तो यही प्रॉब्लम है। और बहुत लोग ऑल्टरनेट फ़्लाइट दे रहे हैं, वो भी कैंसिल हो रहा है। तो एटलीस्ट उनको पता है कि दिक्कत है, तो वो लोग को फ़्लाइट पहले से अनाउंस करना चाहिए कि कैंसिल्ड है।
स्टाफ की कमी की वजह से इंडिगो की फ़्लाइट लगातार कैंसिल हो रही है। आज भी देश भर में 400 से ज़्यादा इंडिगो की फ़्लाइट कैंसिल हुई है। सीधे तौर पर मुसीबतों का सामना जो प्रवासी हैं उन्हें करना पड़ रहा है। फ़िलहाल मेरी मौजूदगी अहमदाबाद एयरपोर्ट पर है और तस्वीरों में आप देख पा रहे हैं बड़ी संख्या में जो इंडिगो की फ़्लाइट के अंदर जिन्होंने टिकट बुक कर रखी थी अहमदाबाद से अलग अलग शहरों तक जिन्हें पहुँचना था, वो अपने सामान के साथ जो डिपार्चर एरिया अहमदाबाद एयरपोर्ट का है उसके बाहर दिखाई पड़ रहे हैं। खास करके पिछले 2 दिनों से लगातार इंडिगो की फ़्लाइट कैंसिल हो रही है। कल 500 जितनी फ़्लाइट और आज फिर से 400 जितनी इंडिगो की फ़्लाइट्स कैंसिल हुई है। कई सारे लोग अपने सामान लेकर एयरपोर्ट की बाहर की तरफ दिखाई भी पड़ रहे हैं, परेशान हैं। कई लोगों के सामान तक अभी तक एयरपोर्ट के अंदर की तरफ से नहीं मिल रहे हैं, क्योंकि जब लोग एक बार एयरपोर्ट में पहुंच जा रहे हैं उसके बाद बताया जा रहा है कि आपकी फ़्लाइट कैंसिल हुई है। कुछ मुसाफिर हमारे साथ मौजूद हैं, उनसे भी बात करेंगे। क्या नाम है आपका और कहाँ जाना था?
मेरा नाम शालीन पंचाल है। मैं अहमदाबाद से चंडीगढ़ के लिए ट्रैवल करने वाला था। कल मेरी 9:30 बजे की फ़्लाइट थी। तो ये ऐसा कर रहे हैं कि भी एप्लीकेशन में तो डिले नहीं दिखा रहा, तो जैसे ही हम इधर आते हैं तो एक एक घंटे का डिले एक्स्ट्रा कर करके हमें 5 बजे तक परेशान करते हैं। फिर ऐसे बोलते हैं कि हम आपको रिफ़ंड दे देंगे। फिर रिफ़ंड में भी दो तीन अलग अलग लाइनें लगी है कि एक जगह पे आपको कैंसिल करवानी है, फिर दूसरी जगह पे आपको अप्लाई करना है अपने बैगेज के लिए, फिर वो अपना जो भी हमारा बोर्डिंग पास होता है उसकी फ़ोटो लेके डालते हैं। फिर तब से हम घूम रहे हैं, कोई पता नहीं है कब आएगा।
I was informed last minute about my flight cancellation. I was supposed to go to Varanasi for my grandma's first death anniversary. Now, even if they reschedule, I won't be able to reach on time, and even if they give a refund, it won't be justified because I wanted to be there for that occasion. And these last minute cancellation is causing a lot of stress now instead of smooth travel.
There was no one to guide any of them. They were elderly people who were ill. They were 2 months, 3 months old baby inside. We were helpless actually. So we decided to cancel our tickets. We were actually going to Delhi for a conference. We are doctors actually. So what happened was we cancelled our tickets, and then there was no clue where to collect the baggage, how to go about. And it took 4 or 5 hours to collect the baggage, and we are out just now. So everything is haywire. The total system has crashed.
Just a few of the voices that have really dominated at the airport. And here where I am at Terminal 1, let me just give you a glimpse. Just look all across this platform. Does it look like an airport to you? Because to me it reminds me of either a railway platform or a bus stop. Let's just walk for a little bit with me. I'll request my camera person to walk with me a little bit over here to give you a sense of how long this road actually goes. And this entire platform, people are just sitting, they don't know what's going to happen, they're on their phones, hand on their head, wondering what is going to go on. And scenes like these are just few of the many. I have with me a passenger over here. Tell me a little bit about how long you've been waiting here.
Far too long, Sonal. So I got to Delhi at 9 this morning, fully thinking that I had a flight to Chennai at 12:20. But since 9, I've essentially been waiting in a line with very little answers received since then.
No answers. You didn't get any notification that your flight was getting cancelled and that you shouldn't move to the airport?
So for context, I landed this morning from London. And when I landed, I exited my flight fully thinking that I had another flight to catch to Chennai at 12:30 or near there. It wasn't until I got out of my flight and a friend who's in Bombay facing the exact same circumstances called me up to tell me, hey, if you're taking Indigo, just be wary of what might happen. And surely enough, what might happen became the inevitable. And yeah, no notifications at all. Had to stand in line for what felt like a week, but was realistically more like 5-6 hours, barely moving an inch every hour, only to be told that there's no flights between right now and Monday to Chennai.
I'm just wondering, for all those people who are stranded here, passengers like you, who have connecting flights or otherwise, you didn't have an alternative to book?
No, because the way things have unfolded is that, like you previously said at the introduction to this report, not a single Indigo flight has essentially taken off from the airport today, and that's had a horrendous knock-on effect on the other domestic carriers as well. Every flight's overbooked. Everyone wants to get to the same places, but there just isn't enough of a supply right now. So, for example, I've had to sort of think outside the box, and now I'm going to Chennai, flying via Singapore. And as lovely as Singapore is, that is a less than ideal solution.
Hold on. Did you say you're going to Chennai via Singapore? Really?
Yeah, look, it's my best friend's wedding this weekend. Shout out Anand. So I can't not be there for it. So hopefully international travel.
Can you
is still
give me a
reliable.
ballpark number of how much this detour has costed you?
Still far too much. I don't want to put numbers to it, but it's well above.
No numbers to friendship, of course, but just in terms of booking the tickets.
My most recent ticket, which is Delhi to Singapore, Singapore to Chennai, was about 650 quid, which is about 65,000 rupees. Yeah. Not the best of my wallet, but Anand.
Well, this one over here is taking it, is motivated to go, and is still smiling after being here from 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock in the morning and having done a big trip from London as well. But that's not the case for a lot of others as well.